Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to find apps with the most storage usage in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on general. After clicking on general, you can see the option iPhone storage. Click on iPhone storage and here you can see all your iPhone storage, and then click on size and here you can select size. After selecting size, here you can see all these apps, and here you can see photos app have most storage in iPhone. And if you want to clean your storage, then simply clean it from your photos library, and here you can see your size, storage size, and here you can see your TikTok storage size, iMovie. So this is the way to find apps with the most storage app in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.